I recently broke apart on my outboard motor this part, and it is really hard to just replace this part. At this point, I've taken this lower bracket off, which was two bolts and two of these, and then I've taken 4 bolts as well as the vent out, but I've taken 4 bolts to I was trying to remove the lower housing of this. Okay, so it looks like just a Allen wrench. And that'll drop this off for me. Yeah, that seems to be the only mechanical thing to attach to. I don't think I have the right Allen wrench for this. Let's see, 4.5 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Oh, no way. I never guess right. That's awesome. Just need to do my best to not let this go into the fucking inside of this guy. No way. Okay, I've done it. So that's just a gear shaft. Wow, that was all I needed to do. Okay, so after removing the 4 bolts right here that hold this thing together, hold this bottom shaft in, I'm guessing this is the drive shaft for the propeller. And this is what I broke, which is just going to pop out now. Huh. I can't see any damage in it. Oh yeah, I can. I could definitely see some damage in it. It's been torn up over use. It's looking this was the side that was coming out too, because this side's probably trash from hitting a really hard bump. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna get a better view of this real quick so I can tell you what's happening. So right here, that is the steering mount. And there's a bracket. There's 2 bolts that go through here, and there's this bracket. These go over here on this, and then they expand out with that little thumb inside the rubber piece that I just replaced. And man, that's awesome. I was not expecting that to be this easy. So yeah, and this is where the 4 bolts go in at, what I was talking about. There's 4. And I'm guessing this will just slide right back up in there. So we're gonna get a different angle. Let's come up in here. Oh shit. There's a camera fall. There's a camera fall right there. Okay. I'm gonna check it. Okay. I have that. I have the little hex nut. Okay. Alright, and we are back in business here. Okay, but I forgot the hex nut. Okay, this is gonna pain in the ass, I know it. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun. This is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Actually, I might be able to do this pretty easily. Okay, this is really hard to do by myself. Go ahead and get stabbed by. Oh yeah, here we go. We're in business right there. We're in business right here, boys. Okay, let's get this. Oh, that really does not feel good. That really does not feel good at all. Okay, it feels a little bit better. A little bit of barrier in between me and the hard metallic objects. Okay, I need a screwdriver. There's a screwdriver. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh no. Oh no. Shit. Oh. Oh. We're in. We're in. Oh, that was easy. Oh, thank you. Okay, we're in. 4mm Allen wrench for that little tiny guy. I guess this was in the 90s, so that was right when they were replacing everything with Chinese stuff. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna change my motive up a little bit. I'm gonna get that bracket on first. Because last time I was just trying to replace these pieces, which is what I bought first, because this is what I thought had gone bad. Replace those pieces, and then just pop right back out. Just right on back out. That's how to do it. Okay, let's give it a little twist-a-roo. 4mm Allen wrench, you have served me well. Oh, I hate these Allen wrenches, but they came good in a pinch. I bought these when I was still doing plumbing work, and they have been in some nasty situations. These Allen wrenches have been in many a grease trap. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get both sides of the bracket. Try to do it. I was doing it with C-clamps before to hold it into place, but now got enough wiggle room, I think. I do need to get me my vice grips back out real quick. When you need a hand, but you don't have one. Oh, you bitch. Okay, so now we're on. The vice grips are on. Oh, kind of. Do another little turn. There we go. The vice grips are on. Enough. Get that on. It is attached. Put those good boys in there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the 4 that hold this housing in. I feel like these need to be sealed, but I don't really have any sealant for them. I got a little bit of season left before I drain this thing anyway, so just got about a month of using it. I use a heavy oil mixture anyway. Okay, we got 2. And we're going to go for 3. 3. There's the 4th one. There's the 4th one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this vent back in too. Nope. Got my finger pinched in there. And when you're putting stuff like this back on, you want to make sure to not just tighten one half at once. You want to do it kind of like you're putting on a tire, just alternate them. There's 4 bolts holding this housing on. You just want to keep doing bit by bit. Get it to ease back up into where it's supposed to be. Double check all these bad boys real quick. I'm in here, Luna. Daddy's fixing his boat. What? I'm in the garage. Come here. I think I fixed it. I'm about to go test it out today.